Some more easy and additional tips to lighten private parts. The way you take care of your face daily, in the same way, you can take care of your private parts. For this, you just have to take care of a few steps so that you can easy ways to remove the darkness of the private part. So let's know what are those steps we can do daily to lighten private parts at home. 1. Hot water. Knowing this can make you feel weird, but hot water indeed cures the dark spot. If we clean our private parts with hot water regularly, it reduces the blackness of the private part to a large extent. At the same time, the risk of infection also decreases, and if you have any infection, then this hot water provides plenty of relief. Note, but always keep in mind that the water should not be too hot. 2. Shave your pubic hair. Because of having hair in the private part, it also looks dark and becomes dark. It is therefore important that the private parts should keep the hair clean from time to time. If we keep cleaning the private parts hair from time to time, the blackness of the private part is also removed and there is no problem of itching. 3. Use face wash. The way you use a face wash to wash your face, you should also use a face wash to clean the private parts. The skin of the private part is more sensitive than the face, so it should not be used to clean hard shampoo or soap. Clean the private part with face wash just like the face. 4. Change underwear every day. Change the undergarment every day to keep the private parts clean. The blackness of the undergarment is also due to the perspiration that comes to that place. So it is important to change your underwear every morning and evening. Use the cotton undergarments as it absorbs sweat and the private part is also safe. 5. Washing and scrubbing. Like your face, the private parts and vaginal area also need to be washed and scrubbed regularly. It will help to remove dirt and dead skin cells. 6. Apply moisturizer. Don't forget to apply moisturizer regularly to your private area. Use an alcohol-free moisturizer or coconut oil. Coconut oil is also a popular and natural moisturizer. Important note, never apply moisturizer and never scrubbing your vulvar skin.